Good evening, children. My name is B. Ravinder Reddy. I am your chemistry mentor. We are at States of Matter 11th Standard Medical and what JEE, NEET and JEE syllabus. In that, we completed up to lecture number 20. 20 lectures we completed. We are at what lecture number 21. This lecture number 21 is nothing but different types of molecular speeds, different types of molecular velocities. How many kinds of molecular speeds we have, and what is the concept related to about these molecular speeds. Now let we discuss. Now let we go to lecture. Different types of molecular speeds. Different types of what? Molecular speeds. This is what lecture number 21. So under this what different types of molecular speeds, we have what three types of molecular speeds in our what syllabus. Molecular speeds what expressed in what three different terms. Those what three different terms are. One is what root mean square velocity. Root mean square velocity. Root what mean square velocity. Root mean square velocity. And the what second one is what average velocity. Third one is most probable velocity. Most probable velocity. So these are the what three what different types of what speeds, molecular speeds. So root mean square velocity, root mean square velocity, CRMS, root mean square velocity. Next one is what average velocity, C average, C what average. Next one, let we consider what this one most probable velocity, most probable velocity, CMP, most probable velocity. So first let we consider root mean square velocity. CRMS, root mean square velocity. What is this? What is mean by root mean square velocity? Square root of the mean of the square speeds. Square root of the mean of the square speeds is called as what RMS speed. Square root of the mean of the square of speeds is called as what RMS speeds. That means what square. First let we take what different velocities of what gases we have. V1 square plus V2 square plus V3 square plus dash 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 divided by total number of molecules. This is the what square mean. But what we have square root of the mean. So that's why we should take what square root of the mean. This is the what CRMS. CRMS. RMS velocity is equal to V1 square plus V2 square plus V3 square divided by what N. So if what N1 molecules has what V1 velocity, N1 molecules has V1 velocity, N2 molecules has V2 velocity, N3 molecules has V3 velocity, and so on. So in such a case, how we will write what CRMS? So CRMS is equal to what N1 into V1 square plus N2 into V2 square plus N3 into V3 square plus dash 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 divided by total number of molecules N1 plus N2 plus N3 plus dash 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 under root. So in this way what we can write. So this is the what about the RMS velocity, RMS velocity, RMS velocity. And what we can also write what CRMS. We can also write what CRMS. CRMS is equal to under root of what 3 PV by M. Under root of what 3 PV by M. CRMS is equal to under root of 3 PV by M. So PV is equal to we know RT. So 3 RT by M under root. So 3 RT by M under root. And we know what D is equal to M by V. So that's why 1 by D is equal to what we can write V by M we can write. 1 by D is equal to V by M we can write. So this one I am substituting here. So such that I will get as what under root of 3P by V by D is what? V by M is 1 by D, 3P by D. So these are the what three different principles we are used to calculate what RMS velocity, RMS velocity. So RMS velocity we have what CRMS is equal to what? Under root of what 3 RT by M. Under root of what 3 RT by M. So in order to simplify R value I am taking what 8.314 into 10 to the power of 7 into under root what T by M. Okay na, T and M are changed, R is what, constant value. So if you multiply this one, so that means what, this is what, root 3 into 8.314, we will get what, 1.579 into 10 to the power of 4 into under root what, T by M, centimeters per second. So this is the what, about the what, RMS velocity. To calculate what, RMS velocity, we use what, this principle. To calculate what, RMS velocity, we use what, this principle, and then we can convert into what, average and so most probable velocity if it is asked. Next, speed is what, average speed. What is mean by average? Average is nothing but sum of the what, velocities with total number of molecules. Sum of the speeds with total number of the molecules is called as what, average speed. So average speeds of the different gas molecules is called as what, average speed. So that's why UAV is equal to, I am writing as V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus dash 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 divided by total number of molecules. This is what, average. Sum of velocity, the ratio between sum of velocities with total number of molecules is called as what, average. So if N1 molecules has V1 velocity, N2 molecules has V2, N3 molecules has V3 velocity, then what, we can write what, average principle as what, N1 V1 plus N2 V2 plus N3 V3 plus dash 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 divided by total number of molecules N1 plus N2 plus N3 plus dash dash dash. This principle we are applied what, whenever different number of molecules has different velocity, different number of molecules has different velocity. Then so CAV is equal to, we can also write what, under root of 8 PV by pi m. 8 PV by pi m. So we have what, PV is equal to RT. So that's why 8 RT by pi m also we can write. And V by M is equal to what, D is equal to, we have what, M by V. So that's why 1 by D is equal to, we can write V by M. So that's why in the place of V by M I am writing what, so 1 by D. So that's why I will get as what, C average velocity is equal to what, 8P by pi D under root. So these are the what, three principles we are employed in order to calculate what, average velocity. Then the third type of velocity is what, most probable velocity. Third type is what is most probable velocity. What is meant by most probable velocity? Whenever what, different molecules are travels with different velocities, the maximum number of molecules, the velocity possessed, velocity contained by maximum number of molecules is called as what, most probable velocity. ఏ velocity అయితే ఎక్కువ number of molecules ఉంటుందో that is called as what, most probable velocity. Most probable velocity means the velocity which is possessed by, which is contained by maximum number of molecules is called as what, most probable velocity. So most probable velocity we can write as what, CMP is equal to under root of what, 2 RT by M. RT is equal to, we know PV, so 2 PV by M. V by M is equal to 1 by D, so that's why 2P by D also we can write. So these are the what, different principles employed to calculate most probable velocity. So whenever you are going to calculate what, so RMS velocity or what, average velocity or most probable velocity. So the molecular weight is generally expressed in what, grams per mole. Generally expressed what, in grams per mole. So that means what, grams is what, CGS unit. Grams is what, CGS unit. Grams is CGS units. So that's why P and what, P, D and R. P, D, R must be present in what? Must be present in what? CGS units only. So P, what, CGS units are what, dynes per centimeter square. Dynes per centimeter square. D is what, grams per cc. Grams per cc or grams per ml. Grams per what, ml. So R value is what, in CGS units, ergs. 8.314 into 10 to the power of 7 ergs per degree Kelvin per mole. So these what, constants we use. What that means what, the units must be present like this only, because due to what, this one. That means what, Molecular weight is what expressed in grams per mole. Grams is CGS units, so remaining all are also present in CGS units. Relation among what different molecular speeds, different molecular velocities. So we have what so C maximum probable velocity is to what C average velocity is to C RMS velocity. Let we take. So this one we can write as what C maximum probable velocity is what under root of 2 RT by M. This one average velocity is what under root of 8 RT by pi M. So RMS velocity is what under root of 3 RT by M. Under root of what 3 RT by M. So RT by M, RT by M, RT by M. So has what in all the what equation. So that's why I will cancel what RT by M. So that's why I will get as what here root 2. Here what root 8 by pi. Here what I will get as what root 3. Root 3 I will get. So now, so if I divide what all these what ratios with root 3. Root 3 I will get as what root 2 first. So if I divide with root 2, here I will get what 1. So here 1 is to 1.08 is to 1.224 we will get. So 1 is to 1.128 is to 1 minute. Okay. 1 is to 1.08 is to 1.224 we will get. If I divides with root 3, all are divides with root 3, here I will get 1. So RMS velocity I will get 1. So this one I will get 0.8166. This one I will get what 0.9213 is to 1. So these are the what about the ratios among what these what different molecular velocities. Whenever we are what doing problems, whatever it may be the velocity is asked, we calculate what RMS velocity only. From that RMS velocity is converted into what different types of velocities, So how we will convert? So C maximum probable velocity. C maximum probable velocity is equal to what? 0.8166 into CRMS. 0.8166 is to CRMS. So C average velocity if is asked 0.9213. 0.9213 into CRMS. So in this way what we can calculate? So maximum probable velocity and average velocity by calculating RMS velocity. Next one. So here whatever it may be the velocity, if you are considered, that velocity is directly proportional to what under root T by M. 2 by M, T by M, T by M. Under root what? T by M. So whatever it may be the velocity, we have what relation? So under root what? T by M. So from this we can write what C1 by C2 is equal to what we can write? Under root of what T1 by T2 into what M2 by M1. Wherever T is proportional relation, so that's why where 1 is present, there we will get 1. Where 2 is present, there we will get 2. M is inverse relation, where 1 is present 2, where 2 is present 1 we will get. C1 by C2 is equal to T1 M2 by T2 M1. Once again I am writing. C1 by C2 is equal to T1 M2 divided by T2 M1 under root. T2 M1 under root. So this principle what we can convert into what different types or different ways. If what molecular velocities are same, if what RMS velocities are same, C1 is equal to C2, then what we will get? So T1 by T2 is equal to what M1 by M2 we will get. T1 by T2 is equal to T1 by T2 is equal to M1 by M2 we will get. So if what same gas is used, whenever same gas is used, molecular weights are same. M1 is equal to M2. So that's why C1 by C2 is equal to under root of what T1 by T2. T1 by T2. If what different gases with same temperature. Different gases with what? Same temperature. Gases are what? Different. Whenever gases are different, molecular weights are different. So that's why C1 by C2 is equal to under root M2 by M1. M2 by M1. If what different gases and what different temperatures, different what gases and different temperatures, then C1 by C2 is equal to what T1 M2 by T2 M1 under root. T1 M2 by T2 M1 under root. So these are the what principles we are what got from different types of what velocities or different types of speeds, molecular speeds. So what here we are considering as what speed instead of velocity, means, so this will travels in all the possible directions, it has what quantity, but it is not having what so direction. So that's why we are considered, or we took as what so speed instead of velocity, speed what instead of velocity. So this one we what know about this concept. Okay children, this is what about our concept of what molecular speeds. So now what I will what pause the video, and from that what you can take what screenshots and write notes. So you what you do one thing, that is you always what send or what share these videos to the people which are not having what coaching affordability, so such that what we will help to what more people which are not having what coaching affordability, especially for what government college students.